Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to avoid tolls on Google Maps. Let's get started. In the previous video, I showed you how to enable speed cameras alert on Google Maps. Now let's see how to avoid toll roads. First, open Google Maps and set your route. Tap on the navigation button, then select your starting point and destination. Once your route is displayed, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Options. At the top of the Options menu, you will see Avoid Tolls. Toggle this option on. Now, go back and Google Maps will find a route that avoids toll roads. And that's it. Now you know how to avoid tolls when using Google Maps.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.